Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm doing a review of this wireless lav mic system by the company Pixel. So first I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing of this mic system. Then I'll tell you guys what it comes with and how it works. Then I'll do a demonstration, do some different audio tests. And then finally in the end, I'll give you guys my final review on this lav mic system and let you guys know what I think about it. And I'll go ahead and put timestamps down in the comments below in case you want to skip around in the video. And if at any point you do decide that you do like this video, or if it helps you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would really help me out a lot. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. I post new microphone reviews every Monday. I call it Microphone Mondays. And if we go ahead and take a look at the Amazon page, we'll see that it goes for $229.99. And I'll go ahead and put the link to this Amazon page down in the description of this video in case you want to check that out for yourself. And let me show you guys the unboxing of this microphone system. As you can see, it comes with everything you could need. A shoe mount for your camera, antenna extenders, a TRRS to lightning cable adapter to plug into your iPhone, a USB Type-C cable and a USB Type-A adapter, a 1/4-inch adapter that you can plug into like an amplifier or something. It comes with 3 1/8-inch cables, including 2 TRRS cables and 1 TRS to TRRS cable. And of course it comes with the charging case, which kind of acts the same way as an AirPods case. It holds the 2 lav mics and the receiver and charges them. I went through the instructions and they're pretty self-explanatory, and the mics should pair automatically with the receiver, and there are 18 different channels, so if you are getting a bad signal on one channel, you can switch to a different channel. And the charging case should fully charge the receiver and the 2 mics 2 full times, and each mic should last for 4 hours and the receiver should last for 8 hours. And it should take 80 minutes to fully charge the charging case. So I went ahead and fully charged the charging case, so let's go ahead and try it out. Okay guys, so the audio that you are hearing right now is coming from the Pixel Lark X. I'm holding one of the lav mics / transmitters in my hand right here, right in front of my mouth. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my headphones. There is a headphone jack in back of the microphone, so you can monitor the audio in real time. And every once in a while, I'll be looking off to the side like this because I just want to make sure that on the screen of my camera, I just want to make sure that my audio levels are not peaking. So of course, the point of this microphone right here is it's supposed to clip onto your clothing. So let's go ahead and try that out. And as you can tell, right as I clip that onto my clothing, we are now missing a lot of those higher frequencies. The microphone sounds a lot more mid-heavy. At least that's what I'm hearing in my headphones. Of course, I will go ahead and put this footage on my computer and listen to it there before I give you guys my final review. But I'm just telling you guys what I'm hearing in my headphones, and I'm going to go ahead and unclip it right now. As you can tell, we do get kind of a lot of noise when I touch the microphone with my hand. And let's go ahead and we'll move it in front of my mouth, and now we'll move it down, and then I'm just going to move it around and we'll see how the audio changes. I hear a little bit of interference coming in and out sometimes, but for the most part it sounds pretty clear. In my experience, these all-in-one microphone wireless transmitter kits, you typically get a good amount of background noise or a kind of a loud noise floor. But I'm not really noticing that too much with this microphone. But as you heard right there, we got some interference when I moved the microphone around here. Yeah, let's go ahead and clip it back onto my clothing. So I was on the Amazon page, and actually right here, the microphone doesn't sound too bad at all. I think the trick is trying to get it as close to your mouth as possible. Like right here, that sounds pretty decent. It doesn't sound perfect, but it sounds pretty decent. It actually sounds better than a lot of the wireless lav mic kits that I've tried out in the past. So I was reading the Amazon page. Apparently, with the use of one of these I forgot what these are called, the antenna extenders. If you plug one of these in, this microphone should reach up to 130 feet. So let's go outside. We're gonna go ahead and test the range of this microphone with the antenna extender. All right, guys, so we are outside right now. We're gonna go ahead and test the range, but right before we do that, I just wanna test out the noise reduction feature. So if you short press the button on the transmitter, that should enable the noise reduction feature, and I'll just go ahead and do it right now. So right now I just turned on the noise reduction feature, and in my experience, like, I was messing around with it a little bit a few minutes ago, and what it seems like it does is it just kind of cuts out some of the higher frequencies, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back onto the normal mode. Okay, so right now it's back at the normal mode. Let's go ahead and test out the distance. We'll see if we can get that 130 foot range. I'll go ahead and clip it back onto my shirt or jacket. So basically, like, there's these concrete squares on the ground. Each one is roughly 5 feet, so I'll just count out the distance as I walk. So 5 feet, 10 feet, 15 feet, 20 feet, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Yeah, I can't really go any further back, so we got 120 feet. I'll go ahead and make my way back. So we got 120 feet. So let's go ahead and head back inside, and I'll give you guys my final review. Okay guys, so we are back inside. As you can see, I am still using the microphone. I have the Pixel Lark X right here on my shirt, or my jacket, I mean. And I'm actually pretty impressed by the audio that we were able to pick up. I went ahead and listened to all the audio that we just recorded. I put it on my computer, I took a listen, and I want to say for the most part, the audio sounded pretty clear. So one thing that I realized is that the closer you're able to get the microphone to your mouth, the better it's going to sound. So I went ahead and positioned the microphone a little bit closer to my mouth, and I actually think that it sounds pretty good. I've actually tested out several different wireless lav mic systems similar to this one, and this one is by far the best sounding one. I've even tried out a different one by the brand Pixel. It was called the Pixel Vocal Air, and I actually think the Pixel Lark X sounds better than that one. We were able to get excellent distance with that antenna extender. We got up to 120 feet. We did get a few instances where there was some interference, but I felt like it didn't really overpower my voice. And just in my experience with these UHF wireless mic systems, a little bit of interference is usually expected. I feel like this mic system had an exceptionally low noise floor compared to other wireless lav mic systems that I've tested out. I think the noise reduction feature does work pretty well, but in my opinion, I don't think you should use it unless it is really necessary, because I think the mic sounds better without the noise reduction feature. So in the end, guys, do I think that this Pixel Lark X wireless lav mic system is worth the price tag of $129.99? Long story short, I think it probably is. I've noticed that these wireless lav mic systems are kind of on the expensive side, and compared to some of the other ones that I have tested out in this price range, this is definitely the best one out of the ones that I've tested out. If you don't want to use a separate audio recorder that you have to sync your audio up with in post, I guess this is a great alternative to doing that. But of course, guys, I would love to hear what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments below. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? Did you not like how this mic sounded? let me know in the comments below. And once again, guys, I will have the Amazon page linked down in the description below in case you want to check that out for yourself. If you did like this video or if it helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notifications button. I upload new microphone videos on Mondays, and I upload a bunch of different kinds of content to my YouTube channel on Wednesdays and Fridays, so make sure you check out my channel. Maybe I have some other stuff on there that you might be interested in. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace!